Okay, hello guys, in this short tutorial we'll show you how to make Steam group. So, first you're gonna open Steam, you're gonna go at the top, you're gonna see your name, you're gonna click groups. Now in bottom left you're gonna click create group, you're gonna write the name. Hello guys, let's say abbreviation, and then this will be how they're gonna find the group. Oh yeah, I have to check if it's available. And about this public group, it just you can click it, but it just means if you press public, it means anybody can join. If you untick this, after you make it, you have to invite people. So yeah, so now you see everything: headline, summary, language, country. You can use picture, like you can do it everything you need. And to access it, just go back to groups. You'll see one you made. If you want, you can just leave. Which obviously gonna just remove it, and yeah. You can manage everything from your comments, your members, announcements. Basically everything. Hope this tutorial helped you, and see you next video. Bye.